if you work in finance, you're working with data. Obviously, it's data. It's gonna be data driven. Data is used to make, data driven decisions, right? That's how you make good decisions, by using the data that you have. Now, where's the data stored, right? It's not in a bag, or it's not in a water bottle. It's not in the it's in the cloud. Look at the Oracle database, which is what a lot of companies use. A lot of big companies. There's the Oracle database, which is a cloud database where they can just store data, right? Now, if the data is stored in there, how do you access that data? Are you gonna walk? You're not gonna walk in the cloud in the cloud storage just to pick up the data, right? You're not gonna do that. What you're gonna do is you have to pull the data from the cloud storage, do using something, and that's gonna be programming, right? Or query languages to request data from the Oracle database to Excel or wherever you're trying to get the data. And you can learn languages like SQL, right, or SQL, or SQL. A lot of people spell it differently, or and then but it stands for a structured query language. That's what it stands for. So SQL or SQL, and you also have Python. These are languages that are used to pull data from the database, which is the Oracle database or whatever database you're using, and you can customize it to how you want, and you can even do data cleanup with those. So that is the world that we live in now, right? When it comes to finance, and it's always changing. What if someone develops another language that can pull that data, that can do a lot with that data? Like right now, Microsoft Excel is the top dog when it comes to data analysis and things like that, right? Now, what if something else comes along, right? And you have your Microsoft Excel certification, that's what you've known to use. Now there's a new software that does it a lot better, a lot faster, and it's more optimized, and it's more um, you don't have to put in as much work, and people prefer that. Now that's another learning curve. So you have to be willing to learn new things. You have to be willing to, to be, if you want to be ahead of the game, you have to learn. You have to go home and learn that new software that they have at the company. You have to do that.